this tank is astonishing. The torque is immensely forceful. I thought it was completely stuck, but it managed to force its way out in a way I could never have imagined. The BMP's dive into the water and its seamless swimming is an impressive display of engineering technique.
Давай, давай!
With total control and zero fear, he turns the cold road into his own territory. I can't wrap my head around how dangerous that situation was. The Ural and its cargo just going under is terrifying. The rescuers must have felt the pressure, but they handled it like pros. Hey! Bosses were, does this nut and bolt go? Boss? Wow, talk about a close call. They really dodged a bullet there. No injuries, no damage. This deserves an A+ in the accident department.
Fuck's sakes.
What do you think of a Kamaz that runs in the middle of a river? This is exactly what the manufacturer wanted when building its engine.
Toda la carga del camión.
This is beyond shocking. Watching that truck burn reminds me of how quickly danger can strike. Thank goodness no one was injured. It's a real testament to the driver's quick thinking. Navigating the Trochas del Guaviare by the Guayabero is an adventure. With a steady effort, the bulldozer expertly moves the massive rock. What an impressive show of raw power! I'm less curious about how cars are transported now, but I've realized it's no easy task. The Gaz 66 is a true off-road warrior. Mud and dirt are just part of the adventure for this beast. Between the snow and the mud, this winter path looks like a nightmare for anyone behind the wheel. The precision was incredible, every move calculated to the millimeter. But even seasoned pros need to double-check safety when dealing with this level of risk. The Kiravet's K700 tractor pulls the Ural 4320 truck through a muddy, snow-covered path. With its powerful engine, the truck steadily climbs the steep terrain, making progress step by step. The moment the Sherman tank crushed the Civic into a pancake, it's like comparing two eras of design. One built for war, the other for daily commutes. Unbelievable. Two cranes work together to flip the tipped-over truck, quickly getting it back upright and ready for action.
Там маленько, блядь, тому
Removing wood from the forest is never an easy job. The terrain is always difficult, no matter the approach.
Колеса надо!
The Zoomlion XCMG mobile crane is a true giant in the industry. Not every road is as easy as it looks. Sometimes, unexpected bumps can make the journey much more interesting. No way, that's not just heat, that's a warning signal. Cool it down now before it blows. If only I could be as joyful as that digger. I swear those bricks. They have very bad pallets, like toothpicks, and they made them high. They are not sturdy at all. When you have the power, no challenge is too big. Everything becomes so much simpler to conquer. Fallen leaves and rough terrain can complicate transport. If the load isn't evenly distributed, there's a higher chance of the truck losing balance or struggling with steep inclines.
Танк, блядь.
Holy cow. Interesting technique. Notice how he's using the weight of the tractor and the momentum to control the slide. The wheel loader, today's true hero. The golden rule is to tear the load away from the platform. Drive away the car.
लड़वा तो पहले कान का लिया हमरा वैसा करे तो पूरा जोर आता बैंड होता वो करा दबाओ दबाओ जाओ चालू करके रखो ए लड़वा वर कर दे यार तू पिठेला जाग रहा था आपला तो
It's a tough job, but the operator's skill is shining through as they maneuver around that heavy stone.
Просто под сиденье назад я засунул за сиденье. Какой слева? Дай сюда! Сейчас. Что это даст? Серокопию, блядь. Откуда?
The moment you realize a car is stuck under a thick layer of ice, it's definitely a heart-stopping situation. You've got to be extremely cautious when approaching it. Everything depends on accuracy and staying calm under pressure.
Вот я...
Oh boy, that excavator had a little too much faith in the truck. What a mess. You'd think the operator was born with that machine. The way it rolls up onto that truck, it's seamless, like clockwork. This situation could have gone south real quick. A stuck truck in thick mud with a 14-wheel tow truck and ropes in the mix? That's high risk, but the team got it done. The tension on those ropes, I could feel it through the screen. You just know any misstep could have meant disaster. I'm in awe. They must have been freezing, drenched, and still didn't back down. That's real grit, man.
Дима падает, выходи оттуда.
Well, things got out of hand quickly. The bulldozer just made a spectacular exit, sliding away like it was auditioning for a stunt. Whoa! That crane went down faster than my hopes of winning the lottery. Hold on to your hard hats. That loader is about to take dirt gymnastics to a whole new level. It was like watching a giant domino effect. One strike from the drill. Couldn't believe my eyes. Speechless. That truck dumping rocks near the Colima River was like a scene out of a high-stakes drama. Did anyone see that coming? trailer buckled under the timber truck's weight, causing a crash. Miraculously, the driver walked away unscathed. Wow, that was a wild ride. The fat truck 8x8 charging through the icy sludge was pure adrenaline. What a show! When you think it's steady, snap. Just when you think it can't get more thrilling, watch as Sergio maneuvers the Cat D6T, pushing stones that could crush a truck, showing guts that defy gravity. With each log it dragged through the deep snow, the Tiger Cat 635D danced on the edge of control. What a sight to behold. Awesome machine. My dirtbag neighbor needs this for the overgrown lawn. Bravo. The dump truck rescue was going so well until... bam! Right into another headache. Unbelievable. Wow, Schluter, 950 volts. A mechanical monster. It's pure adrenaline. Each step felt like the edge of a cliff, yet they moved without hesitation. As the bus finally reached safety, it felt like a miracle. What a sight! The truck deftly maneuvers the D657 scraper around corners, demonstrating power and precision. A true testament to professional driving.
Then this leg on the left, the man feet up.
Watching the demolition live was like holding my breath until it hit the ground. The sheer size of it collapsing was both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Not every driver is skillful enough to overcome this situation. That was like watching a building evaporate. Boom! And it's dust. The big cat saves the little one, and out of nowhere, it bolts off like lightning. Did anyone else see that? What an unpredictable situation. Watching the bridge demolition, you can really see the professionalism at work. Even the collapse was planned and managed safely by the experts. Incredible, right? Phew. That moment was filled with suspense. The operator's escape was nothing short of miraculous. What a risky situation. That dust cloud is wild. The excavator's right there, and the mountain is collapsing. It's like watching a disaster unfold in real time. Looks like this excavator is primed for a seesaw session with the car.
That's good.
The cable snaps out of nowhere, sending the generator plummeting. The worker's dash for safety was jaw-dropping. He was a heartbeat away from being crushed. How did he survive that? Hey, come on, bye-bye. Oh no, it's all over now.
Чего ж не внимательно так ваша дела? Движение прямо.
Wheels come off. What a surprise. City 2 mode is on.
Колесами.
Включен режим город.
Dude, he came out of Pokeland with his coat on as a hero after the stunt.
ड्राइवर ओए केवल उठा 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 चोट तर लाग्छ ना चोट लाग्छ
Incredible job by the Honda Ridgeline. 2 Silo came down with perfect accuracy and skill.
Ебать его в рот! Пиздец!
Yeah. He didn't turn over but lay on his side. Tired.
Пиздец!
Cat 740 overturned with a heavy load. Cat 345 DL, hero of the day. What a rescue.
Вижу.
It's unbelievable how fragile those massive cranes can be. The sheer force of their collapse was terrifying. It really makes you appreciate the skill of the operators. So, a long day comes to an end. Just when you thought ice skating was for amateurs. Welcome to the Heavy Machinery Olympics. Looks like that Kamaz needs a strong cup of coffee. It's still snoozing. Unbelievable. The Komatsu just climbed onto the truck with such precision. These machines are truly a testament to incredible engineering. Impressive performance. I can't believe how easily it glides through that muck. It's a testament to the design and power of the Belarus Mets 1025